Let's analyze together super microcomputer. You know, this is absolutely insane right now. It's trading at $25, and right now in year to date we're talking about minus 11%, which is surprising because when we analyze the stock, it first started back in January 1st when it was trading at $28, and it went up, you know, to 120. So what happened this year?
Yeah, let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Also today, while we're recording this, almost 12% to the upper side. You can see right there that this last green candle, not a lot of volume right there, but it seems like it bounced. If we take a look at the past price action, during these levels, we had this kind of cup of tea coffee pattern, we like to call it, and you can see like the price reacted in that sense. But we have to wait and see how this develops. Will this be strong enough or not? Let us know in the comments below. What do you think? Will this be broken out and will continue the drop in the price, and the year today will end lower than this, or will this bounce from here and see higher levels? Both opinions are welcome in the comments below. And let's go with the news that we have right here, related with the financial performance, and also with some ideas that we have to mention and we like to share with you about possible Nasdaq delisting. We don't know exactly about it, but that has to do with the auditor and the financial filings. If you have more information or different, let us know in the comments below. This is just what we could gather right now. And also the auditor resignation. Remember, the company's auditor Ernst & Young recently resigned, citing transparency and governance issues. And the delayed financial filings that have to be delayed for 2024 are raising concerns about potential listing from Nasdaq, according to this data right here. Why could this happen? If you know about it, let us know in the comments below. And how do you see the situation? And for the financial performance, they present, a remarkable 181% increase compared to the same quarter last year. But the thing is, like you can see the price action, how it reacted. Why this happened, guys? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, okay, so right now it's like, this is like a theory, you know, an opinion, a theory, whatever you want to call it. And the situation with this stock is very difficult because even though the data, the financial data is good in terms of fundamentals, it's like you can clearly see right here the reported gain is 0.75, which is better, a positive surprise factor. And if you compare it, you know, to the previous quarters, it's like it's the best actually quarter, you know, it's like the best quarter in the last ever, I would say. So even though this is happening, the problem is the auditor and what happened with that, because why is like right now is not an auditor of this company anymore, and this is very difficult because they could be delisted from Nasdaq, and that could be translated into further losses. Because you remember, guys, there are a lot of ETFs, hundreds of ETFs that are, you know, replicating in the main indices, Nasdaq and so on and so forth, and this is one of those. You know, it's like the stock right now is included in a lot of ETFs. So if it's delisted, it could be a really worrisome situation for the company.
Yeah, exactly. Let us know what do you think about it. And also I pasted here more information that I could gather from Investopedia in this case. You have analysts at JP Morgan downgraded the company to underweight from neutral, cutting their price target from $50 just to $23.
Wow.
So around these levels, citing several risk factors that introduce uncertainty. And also here in the TradingView news, in the key facts of today, you have it right there with that sign. Goldman Sachs maintained a neutral rating on Super Microcomputer Inc. while cutting the price target from $67 to $28 per share. So very similar information right there from Goldman Sachs in this case. Why do you think this is going on, guys? How do you see the situation? Because they adjusted the price to current level. Do you think the price will hold around here? Or do you think like this won't be enough and the price will plummet even more? What are your opinions? Or maybe you see this as a good opportunity for Super Microcomputer. Let us know everything you want to share in the comments below.
Yeah, the thing is, like, the upturn right here, it all started back in October 2018, and the upturn is absolutely nuts. You know, we're talking about, for instance, if we take it from November 12th till today, it's like more than 10,000%. And still, you know, even though the incredible losses right now, it dropped to almost 2,000% since those levels. But the situation, that's the problem, you know, when you hear rumors like this, it's like the price could completely be devastated in the coming months, you know, because it's like smart investors, they don't like to be in those situations. It's like when they think their money is at risk, they just close the positions and go somewhere else, somewhere safer, you know, because when we have like bad fundamentals or bad data, well, yeah, we have the best results ever, but maybe it's not true because we don't have the auditor that is like, you know, telling us this is the truth.
Yeah, it's a very complex situation. We will see how it develops. Let us know in the comments everything you want to share. And in order to end, let's go with the seasonals section that we have here in TradingView platform of SMCI. And you can see I'm looking at the percentage one from 2019. I didn't go to the future. And until today. And it's very interesting. You can see the red one is 2023 with an upside in the year-to-date perspective of 238%. And 2024 would be the first negative year if this continues as it is right now. Since 2019, we're talking about minus 18% right now. Sorry, minus 11% right now. And the thing is, like, it was one of the best years just before 2023. At the start of the year, it was even better. You can clearly see with that uptrend, it was insane, more than 300% during March of this year, the 13th of March. And then it crossed, you know, you can see the blue line and the red line. They crossed during June, July, and mid-August, more or less. No, yeah, it was at the end of July. And the price started to drop from there. And it got below the prices of 2022, 2021, 2020 in terms of year-to-date perspective. Very, very interesting information.
Look at that, we have the fourth quarter 2024. Also, the net income is worse than the previous one, which is something that is worrisome. And the worst result ever in terms of net income also in the last, in terms of net margin in the last 5 quarters. So mixed opinions right here. Let's see the forecast, Enrique, to see in order to understand the situation better by Wall Street analysts, because right now they have mixed opinions, and I think this is not updated.
Yeah, we will see if it is updated. I will take, you know, the screenshot right now to check in the next video when then they update it with more security. And you can see for now the maximum, or at least as it was, because if they changed it, we can talk about it how it was before this happened. The maximum $130, 400% to the upside. Wow. The average $45, 81%, and the minimum one $15, minus 40%. And you have to take into account the last drop in the price, because we're talking at the end of October 21st, it was trading around $50, you know, so the average should be negative, and in this case it's positive, and the maximum wasn't like 400%, was lower. But of course, we have to see how this is updated, because we saw Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan changing their forecast, so maybe we'll see changes in this section also, I think that.
Okay, we also have the EPS and the revenue forecast. And this is very important because in 2025, it's expected to be even better than this year, which is, you know, already the best one. According to, you know, to the information that we have, we don't know if it's exactly 100% accurate at this point because we don't have the auditor, but this is the thing for the moment, you know. If in the end, if it's good, obviously this huge drop, it could be an opportunity to buy the stock. But we need to make sure, at least I would like to know if we have like the information that we get is for real, you know. It's like not makeup, they didn't invent it, or they are not trying to hide anything from us, you know. This is the most important thing, because we have so many examples of other companies that did exactly that, and investors paid the bill like huge, you know. They lost almost everything or everything, and you don't want to feel that.
Okay, guys, so we want to know your opinion. Let us know in the comments below everything you want to share about this company, your forecast if you have one. How do you see the current situation? Did you expect it? And what are you going to do right now if you want to share it with us? Remember that you can use the comment section as a forum also to help other traders, honest trading. Let's go. Welcome to Trading HD.
Let's go. Thank you very much, and subscribe to Trading HD to watch more content like this.
Let's go.